Hello everybody, this is Ma, your English language teacher and IELTS trainer. And today we're going to practice our numbers. 30, 40, 50, 60, 60, 70, 80, 90, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 100, 100, 1000, 1000, 100,000, 100,000. Now let's look at the numbers again. 40, 45, 50, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 1000, 100,000, or 100,000. So these are our numbers. I hope you practice them just like you practice your numbers from 1 to 20. So today we did our numbers from 30 to 100, and then we also did 1000 and 100,000. So guys and girls, please practice these numbers and hopefully you can say them better. Thank you and thanks for watching.